declaration of results for the KHADC and the JHADC marks a growing sense of public expectation for the newly elected representatives. Former Shillong College Principal MPR Lingdaw highlighted the responsibility of the councils in safeguarding traditions, customs and community resources, which remain key concerns for the public. Similarly, FKJGP President Dundee C. Kongsit pointed out that the public is counting on the councils to protect the language, land and environment of the region, further raising expectations for what the new leadership will accomplish.
Expectation ba kumna kalyang jongi kum kaseng kalong ba lingba kanika regulation and administration of land acts ba 2021 ni kwa ba nakalyang joka KHADC kan tray borba ya ka ba kariban lech kini ki border area ki jongi ni ki rilom khasi ki jongi kalong ba kin lech ban registered ya ki jaka ki puta jongi Kibri jongi haki thain khapon